Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to JIC Hints and Tips. This is Teacher Trisha. I am a teacher here in JIC. Many students have been asking this question, Teacher, how do I improve my grammar? Actually, or maybe this is also your question. Don't you worry, after watching this video, we will get rid of that grammar. First, you have to know the different parts of speech. Do you know noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjections? These are the different parts of speech. Unless you know their importance and functions, problems in the future will occur. Next, you don't only need to master these parts of speech, but you have to use proper word order. You don't only have to master the different parts of speech, but you also have to put them in their proper placement or order, or else you will end up saying, beautiful teacher. However, if you know the proper word order, you will know that article comes first, followed by an adjective and then a noun. So you will say a beautiful teacher, not beautiful teacher. Last but not the least, you have to also practice or memorize the different patterns and sentence structures. Because if you do not know this, hint 1 and hint 2 will all be useless. You have to remember, knowledge without practice is dead. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you next time. Goodbye. Bye.